In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to engage your audience, gather valuable feedback, or add an interactive element to your site, incorporating a quiz can be a fantastic way to enhance user experience. Follow along as we go through each step to make this process seamless and straightforward. We begin by navigating to the Wix dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that first. Once you're in your Wix account, locate the Setup section. This is your go-to area for making modifications to your site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this dashboard if this is your first time here. Next, click on Design Site. This will take you into the editor interface where all the visual magic happens. It's the heart of the Wix platform and where you'll be able to mold your website to fit your vision. This interface offers a variety of customization options, from layouts to specific elements. Now let's move to adding elements to your site. On the left panel of the editor, there's an option called Add Elements. Clicking on this will open a menu filled with various components you can add to your site, everything from text boxes to galleries and more. Today, we're focusing on embedding code, which will allow us to add our quiz. Scroll through the options under Add Elements and find Embed Code. This feature is quite versatile as it lets you integrate external content using HTML code. Click on it and you'll see a new box appear on your page. With the embed box selected, we'll now dive into Embed HTML. This is where you will paste the code for your quiz. Usually this code comes from a third-party service that provides the quiz, so ensure you have the HTML code ready to go before this point. In the HTML field that pops up, paste your quiz code. Be sure that it's correct and complete for it to display properly. Once you've pasted the HTML code, click on Apply. This is an essential step because it saves the changes and embeds the quiz onto your site. Don't forget to preview the changes to ensure your quiz is working as expected. After checking its functionality, don't hesitate to rearrange or resize the quiz box to fit your web page's layout. Wix provides a drag and drop feature, allowing for easy adjustments. Test the quiz yourself to ensure everything is seamless for your audience. And there you have it. Adding a quiz to your Wix site is a breeze. Just follow these steps, and you'll have an interactive element on your website that keeps visitors engaged and provides you with meaningful insights. Thank you for watching, and happy quizzing on your Wix site.